Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. So today, I'm going to be doing a collab video with Alexa of Alexa's Curls. We are going to be switching Denman brush techniques. Alexa has a very specific technique on how she uses the Denman brush, and so do I. So we were thinking, why not switch techniques and see how our techniques work on each other, similar but different curl types. I feel like it's a really cool video to see. It also really goes to show that you can use the same technique as someone but still obviously get very different results, even if your curl type is slightly similar. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do Alexa's technique and how to get a really good defined wash day. So if you want to see how I got these bomb results, keep on watching.
Alright, and first off, I'm going to start with styling my hair. So I'm going to use the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Leave-In, and I'm going to apply that to my hair using the praying hands and raking method. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side of my head as well as the crown of my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my faves, the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I'm going to take about a quarter size amount, spray it with some water to emulsify, and apply it to my hair using the exact same methods. Raking, praying hands, you know the gist. And last for styling, I'm going to go in with the Cake Curl Whip Mousse, but don't forget to stay hydrated, you guys. The curls will not turn out the same unless you're hydrated. I'm going to take a very, very full dollop of this mousse, apply it to my hair, and I use a lot of this stuff. I know it looks like too much, but trust me, it works. And of course, do the same thing on the other side of my head. Now we're finally at Denman brush styling. So first I'm going to show you what not to do. This is my first attempt at using Alexa's technique and I went so wrong. I messed up so bad. So at first I do it correctly, but as you can see here, I'm twisting the brush way too high up on my hair, and I'm twisting it in one way then the other, and my hair got so freaking caught. It was so bad. It took me at least 5 minutes to get it out of the Denman brush. It was so stuck, so please learn from my mistake, and I will show you in the next clips what actually to do when using this technique. But please just go ahead and laugh with me with what happened. So now that we've had a good laugh, let me show you the right way. So you're going to pull the brush all the way to the ends, then start twisting at the bottom the way your curl naturally curls. Once you get to the bottom, you're just going to keep on twisting and twisting as little or as much as possible till you get to the end and the hair just falls out of the brush. And I promise you guys, if you do it this way and not the first way I showed you, you will definitely not get the brush stuck in your hair. And I was so surprised with that beautiful ringlet I got. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on my entire head. I'm not going to lie to you guys, it definitely did take a few tries to really get the motions going. I had a couple oopsies like you just saw, and I really wanted to include as many as possible in this video just to know that it's totally fine to not get a technique right 100% the first try. It took me definitely a few tries to get this technique right, but once I did understand the motions and how to do it, it became super easy to do. So don't give up, you guys. Finally, I'm done. So I'm going to take a little bit more of that mousse and scrunch my hair just to really lock in those curls and add that little extra bit of hold. I'm going to air dry my hair for about 1 to 3 hours, and then I will diffuse, and I'll be right back with the finished results and my final thoughts of day 1. So this is my hair completely dry, but as you can see, I did not break up any of the clumps that I created using Alexa's technique. I'll see you guys in the next clip where I break up all these beautiful juicy clumps. Alright, and this is my final day 1 results. So let's chat. First off, I do really love the definition that this gave me. One note that I really want to highlight is this routine almost gave me a twist out effect where I have a lot less shrinkage in my hair, which is really cool if I ever do want to elongate my curls and have a little bit more length. One negative that I didn't really love about this technique was that it did give my curls a bit more of a looser curl pattern, therefore giving that elongation, but I do really love those tight, juicy ringlets I normally get. Also, I felt like my roots were a little bit on the flatter side and just a bit straighter than usual. I had a little bit less volume. But besides those few negatives, I still really do love the results and just the way that my curls do look with this Denman brush technique. I definitely want to try a few more times to really get it 100% right. This is day 2. Now, I have to start off by saying that I loved my day 2 much better than my day 1. I felt like I had a ton of more volume. I still had great definition, but the volume I was lacking in day 1 really showed up in day 2. I slept with my hair in a loose pineapple, and I literally took it out of the pineapple a few minutes before filming this, no refresh or anything like that. I also have very little frizz, so I'm super excited that day 2 was a huge success.
Alright everyone, that is the end of today's video, but don't forget to click down below. I'll have it in some point in the video up here, but if you missed it, click in the description box below and watch Alexa do my Denman brush technique and see her results. I'm pretty impressed, if I do say so myself. I think her curls look pretty good. And as always, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button because I make new videos every single week. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!